In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a box outline in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, adjustable outline you can use to frame photos, text, or entire sections of your design. Start by opening the project you're working on in Canva so you can see your canvas and the standard toolbar. On the left side of the screen, look for the Elements tab. Click that, then find the Shapes section and add a square shape to your canvas. It will drop in as a solid square, which is normal. Click the square to make sure it's selected. We'll turn that solid fill into a transparent box with a visible border. With the square selected, open the color settings. In the color panel, look for the slashed icon under Document Colors. Clicking that slashed icon sets the fill to no color, so the inside of your square becomes transparent. Now, let's define the outline. At the top of the toolbar, find and click Stroke Style. Choose a solid line type so the outline is a clean, continuous border. With that set, adjust the stroke weight. This controls how thick or thin your outline appears. Slide it up for a bolder frame or down for a delicate line, depending on your design. As you adjust, keep an eye on your canvas so the outline complements your layout without overpowering it. Once your outline looks right, you can position and size it. Click and drag the outline to move it into place. To resize, use the handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle to scale the box larger or smaller while keeping it proportional. Drag a side or top handle if you want to change only the width or the height. If you need precision, take your time and watch the guides that appear as you move the box. They help you align the outline with other elements. At this point, your box outline is ready to use. It has no interior fill, a solid outer line, and a stroke weight that suits your design. You can duplicate it if you need multiple frames with the same look, or simply reposition and resize the one you have to frame different areas in your project. That's all there is to it. Add a square, remove the fill with the slashed icon, set a solid stroke style, adjust the stroke weight, and resize with the handles. Use this outline to highlight content, create neat sections, or add visual structure anywhere in your Canva design.